Hello, Jutta family. This is the new baby with a really nasty wound on his leg. He was the one that had to be trapped. He's very shy. So, nothing better to make friends than good food with an antibiotic hidden inside. Oh goodness. These gates are Adriana proof as well as dog proof. There he is. Hello my love. He wants to come and then he backs off. Look at the wound on his leg. It's horrible. It's deep. Like he was bitten by another animal. There, look at that. How deep is that? Horrendous. He's not infected, thankfully. He's having antibiotics. And he's getting used to shelter life. He inhales the food. And it's wet food. He's got his biscuits and fancy bed, couple of toys. There. Nanosecond. Oh, Claire got treats for you. See, this is what shelter life at Jutta Shelter is all about. We get parcels with treats and you guys get spoiled. So if it becomes friendly in time and hopefully the wound doesn't get infected, he will go to the vet. If he gets infected, then we're gonna have to trap him and take him with a sedative or something. Oh, Claire, Trehantir is staring at you, and so is Veda. And Leah. Don't worry, Papa, you're safe. Thank you, Jutta family, for all your support. Bye-bye for now.